Hello, welcome to the API Spreadsheets demo. We are the leading platform for developers to build spreadsheet features in their applications. Let me show you how to create a spreadsheet importer where your customers can upload, clean, and store data. Enter a name for your importer and then we will start off with the Columns tab where you can specify your data model for each spreadsheet uploaded through this importer. For my data model, I want my customers to map their columns to first name and last name. Next, for destinations, I want this spreadsheet to be saved on my API Spreadsheets account as well as my Google Drive. Using the import URL, my customer can upload their spreadsheet. After they upload, our algorithm automatically matches the column names in the spreadsheet to the column name you specified when creating the importer. If you go back to your account and click on Imported Files, you can find the imported file and use it as an API. We can see it uploaded on our Google Drive here as well. Thank you for watching and get started for free on apispreadsheets.com. We can't wait to see what you build.